Today's lesson is solving system of equations by inverse matrix. From this system equation, we can write down the matrix form. That will be 3, -1, 2, 3. xy equals -3, 6. So for this xy, we can write down equals this matrix 3, -1, 2, 3 inverse times this -3, 6. Let's write down A equals 3, -1, 2, 3. Step, we need to figure out the determinant. That will be 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2 times -1 is -2. So you get 11. Therefore, for inverse of this matrix A equals 1/11. 3, 3 will be switch. And 2, -1 will get opposite over here. Then we will make this multiply by the matrix -3, 6. I will make a -11 stay here. We will do this. 3 times -3 and 1 times 6, then we add. So you have -9 plus 6. Then we use -2 times -3, that's 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So you get the 1/11. -3, here's 24. Then we put 1/11 in. Your answer will be -3/11, 24/11. In other words, we got xy, this matrix equals -3/11, 24/11. First, the x equals -3/11, y equals 24/11. Now let's go to solving system equations by inverse matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So first of all, we will write down this system equation by matrix way. You will get 3, 1, -1. Here's 1, 2, 3, 2, -3, 2. Then you have x, y, z equals -2, 6, 14. You can write down for x, y, z equals 3, 1, -1, 1, 2, 3, 2, -3, 2 to the negative first power times -2, 6, 14. Let's make this matrix A equals 3, 1, -1, 1, 2, 3, 2, -3, 2. Let's try to figure out the determinant first. So I will write down 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, -3 first. So we will work out the determinant of this matrix. You will get the 12 plus 6 plus 3 will be 21. Then plus 4 plus 27 minus 2. You will get 50. Then we need to figure out a matrix. That is the determinant of TIG. Remember the sign. You will get the positive or negative, positive, diagonal is positive. If it's not, diagonal will be negative. After we figure out this matrix formed by the determinant of each element, not forget switch. This diagonal line stay. These two switch. These two switch. These two switch. So that we got the inverse of this A will be 1 over 50. 13, 8, 5. Then you have 4, 1, 5, negative 7, 11, negative 10. And the matrix of x, y, z equals 1 over 50. 13, 1, 5, 4, 8, negative 10, negative 7, 11, 5. Then you multiply by the matrix for constant. It will be negative 2, 6, 14. Then we will work this out. 1 over 50, let's stay. So you get the 13 times negative 2, that's negative 26. 1 times 6, that's plus 6. 5 times 14, this will be 70. Then we go here, 4 times negative 2, negative 8. 8 times 6 plus 48. Negative 10 times 14 minus 140. Then from negative 7 times negative 2, that's 14. 11 times 6 plus 66. 5 times 14 will be 70. We work this out, you will get 1 over 50 times 50, negative 150. So for each element we multiply by 1 over 50, you will get 1, negative 2, and 3. Therefore, x equals 1, y equals negative 2, and z equals 3. This will be the solution to the system of equation.